In this video, I will show you how to download WATTPAD application on your computer or laptop step by step. If you enjoy reading stories, novels, or writing your own stories, WATTPAD is a great application to use. Even though WATTPAD is made mainly for phones, you can still use it on your computer easily. This guide is very simple. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom left, open the Start menu and click on Microsoft Edge. If it's not appearing here, you can just type it in the search bar, then open it. Here, go to the search bar and type in WATTPAD.com. Then go to the top right and click on these three dots here. Go down to more tools and click here on apps. As you can see here, install this site as an application. Click here. Then click on install. And this is how you can download WATTPAD on your computer or laptop. If you think this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.